Hi everyone, welcome to the SunGens collection. Today, we're going to show you how to set up your MetaMask wallet. First, let's open up Google Chrome as our browser. Then we're going to head straight to MetaMask.io. Click the Download Now link. Go ahead and install MetaMask for Chrome. Then click Add to Chrome and add the extension. Once installed, MetaMask will open up a new tab. Click Get Started. There will be two options. Click Create a Wallet on the right. You can choose to help improve MetaMask, but we're going to select No Thanks for now. Now it's time to create a new password. Take this time to create and confirm your password. Then, check the I have read and agree to the terms of use box. And click Create. Grab a pen and paper, this part's important. MetaMask will generate a secret backup phrase for you. So if you lose your password or want to use MetaMask on a different computer, you'll need to use this secret backup phrase. Click Reveal Secret Words and take a moment to write down the phrase in the exact order the words appear. Anyone who has access to this phrase will have access to your wallet. It's important to write this down and keep it in a safe place offline. On the next screen, you'll have to confirm your secret backup phrase. Click the words in the correct order that you've written down. Congratulations, you've set up your wallet. Now that we've installed the extension, go to the top right corner of the Chrome browser and click the little puzzle piece icon. In the drop-down menu, click the pin icon next to MetaMask. This will create a shortcut to easily access your wallet. Now click the MetaMask box. You should be logged in, but if not, re-enter your password here. In order to buy NFTs, first you're going to need to buy some Ethereum for your wallet. You can buy Ethereum on a site like Coinbase and then send the Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet by clicking Buy and then clicking Directly Deposit Ether here. Or you can use Wire to use a debit card to deposit Ethereum directly into your wallet. Regardless of how you buy your Ethereum, you're going to want to have enough to make some purchases and trades. Stay tuned for the next video.